Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The EarthRoamer LTX, a name synonymous with maximum off-grid capability and uncompromised luxury, ranks as a leading candidate among the greatest expedition vehicles of 2025. The LTX Tour is more than just a motorhome. It's a well-planned, independent mobile haven that can navigate even the most difficult terrains and offer a quality of life comparable to upscale fixed residences. This in-depth tour examines the key characteristics that make it the best off-grid rig available. The modified Ford F550 chassis, which is known for its commercial-grade strength and dependability, is the foundation of the EarthRoamer LTX Tour. This workhorse becomes an off-road beast thanks to EarthRoamer's patented improvements. The vehicle can traverse anything from deep sand and rocky paths to snow and mud with exceptional stability and control because to its powerful four-wheel drive system, sturdy air suspension, and enormous military-grade tires. The LTX can manage its substantial weight and transport all the essential supplies for long trips into the wilderness thanks to the enormous torque and horsepower produced by the Ford Power-Stroke diesel engine. This foundation is designed to easily dominate any terrain, not only for travel. The EarthRoamer LTX Tour's carbon fiber monocoque body is its most notable feature. With its remarkable strength-to-weight ratio, this seamless, unitary structure is a marvel of composite engineering. The monocoque design improves the vehicle's structural integrity and removes any leak spots, making it significantly more resilient to the demands of off-road travel than conventional RVs with multi-piece bodywork. Additionally, the body has excellent insulation, which guarantees a comfortable interior temperature in both extremely hot and cold temperatures. Large storage spaces, a strong winch, and integrated LED lighting for nighttime operations are just a few examples of the exterior's thoughtfully utilitarian design. The vehicle's energy independence, which is a fundamental component of its off-grid concept, is greatly enhanced by the solar panels that are flush-mounted on the roof. Inside, the LTX Tour transcends its rough exterior, exposing a wonderfully made and cleverly designed living area. Comfort, effectiveness, and an opulent appearance are all maximized in the layout. Often constructed from premium wood veneers, custom cabinets offers an abundance of storage without appearing cluttered. With luxurious seating, a cutting-edge infotainment system, and expansive windows providing stunning views of the surroundings, the living area is a comfortable yet elegant environment. The kitchen is completely furnished with top-of-the-line, residential-grade appliances, such as a refrigerator/freezer, a convection microwave, and an induction cooktop. With a full-size shower and a contemporary composting toilet, the bathroom, which is frequently a trade-off in other expedition vehicles, is unexpectedly roomy. The EarthRoamer LTX Tour's extensive self-sufficiency systems are what really make it unique. All of the onboard equipment can be powered without the need for a noisy generator because to the vehicle's enormous lithium-ion battery bank, large solar array, and high-capacity inverter. Water from natural sources can be purified thanks to the water system's large fresh water tank and advanced filtering technology. Because of this degree of autonomy, owners are able to travel far beyond the scope of conventional campgrounds and infrastructure, genuinely discovering uncharted regions of the globe. The LTX is a carefully designed environment for an endlessly adventurous life, not just a vehicle.